Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Ndoji nilo wa kwezono.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Ndebanya, nwekelona. Afam bu ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chakum, aka the digital makeup artist, and you're tuned into another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day. And so you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're gonna give them back their identity, starting with their names. All right, so shout out to Nkiru. That's right. Give up for Nkiru. So thanks a lot, Nkiru, for sending in your name for today's Igbo Name of the Day. So we're gonna translate Nkiru's name, right? So Nkiru is a popular short version of the name Nkiruka, right? So I'm gonna do the entire name so that it all makes sense. So Nke means, it just kind of means like the, it's just kind of talking about something, like the thing, right? Nke. Iru means in front, and Ka means better, or is the best, or is greater, right? So you put all that together, and Nkiruka means the future is better, or what's before me is better than what's behind me. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, basically Nkiru is the short version for that, and Nkiruka, which is the full version, means my future is better, my future is bright. Nkiruka's names give them the power to be visionaries, entrepreneurial, and very social. Tag and share this video with all the Nkirukas that you know. Thanks. So Nkiru is also a fellow content creator. She interviewed me, was gracious enough to interview me. Some of the interviews are here on my channel. I'm gonna link them right here. And also check out her channel as well too. So she is a career coach, like she provides resume help. She does master classes, just really great content, and really trying to, kind of like some of the content that I do as well too, help people understand where they came from, speak about issues facing, millennials, African culture, just growing up being first generation, really great content. So I'm gonna link her down in the description down below. Check her out. She also has a really great YouTube channel. So let me know what you think. Did I get the translation of her name correctly? Nkiru. Let me know what you think about this YouTube channel. Let me know if you enjoy the content. Share this with a friend. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button because it helps the YouTube algorithm show this video to more people who might like this topic, right? Subscribe to this channel, hit the bell button to get a notification anytime I post a new video. And if you would like your Igbo name featured, please let me know and I'll feature your Igbo name. My IG is also in the description down below. And if you don't have an Igbo name, right, I will gift you an Igbo name based off of your characteristics and your personality traits on my other segment called the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So yeah, again, share this with all your friends who might be interested. Shares are free. And if you would like to support in any other way, please let me know. I would like to thank everyone for continuing to watch these videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.